Welcome to another day, another beautiful Sunday we got right here for our morning favorites, and it's only right here at Metro Supermarket. To our shoppers right there, make sure to drop by right here on all of our other booths because we have a lot of freebies, a lot of free taste for all of you to enjoy in this Sunday afternoon. I know that many of us came from church, and please enjoy your shopping right here at Metro. My name is Clyde, and I'll be with you for the next 30 minutes on this morning favorites. And one of it is our Blend 45 Cafe Pinoy, and we have a brand new product release. It's going to be our Malunggay Coffee Mix, a good source of vitamin C and zinc. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Maayong hapon ka natong tanan. Karon ang ato ang discuss review a lot of topics, but two of which is gonna be from our dietitian, and the other one is also a very magnificent game with a lot of prizes to be given out for those who will join and participate in our game ngayong hapon na to. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, we all know that a lot of people, mga madiskateng Filipino dito and all other people right here in Tiki Shop sa Metro, we have our brand new Malunggay Coffee Mix from Blend 45, original na Cafe Pinoy. And to discuss furthermore about the benefits of this one, we're going to have our very beautiful, rare, fantastic nutritionist and dietitian. Because ladies and gentlemen, she came all the way from Lencho General Hospital, Southern Provincial Palawan Hospital, and Charmwell Hospital as a clinical nutritionist and dietitian. Let's give a big round of applause for our very own Miss Janine Chloe Dahel. Hi there, Janine. So good to see you again on our third day right here at Metros. Get her another mic. But of course, for those people who are dropping around, just passing by, make sure to drop by right here to all our booths, classic booths, so, and find your own morning favorites. We have a lot of coffee, we have our breakfast from Nestle, we have Quaker Oats, and a lot more. So please drop by, get your own treats and freebies along the way. So Shadeen, or shall I say Miss Chloe, magandang hapon sa iyo dyan.
Good afternoon.
I love your smile.
Always. So now I think it's our third day here in morning favorites. So may hapon sa inyo mga started. So once again, I am Chloe Dahel, a nutritionist. So before we mag-start sa ako tips for healthy breakfast, gusto lang kumangutanan ninyo kung kinsa man daw hilig mo kaon ng breakfast. Erase ang hands. So tinuod jud na kung kaon ng breakfast. Kinsa man sa tong dilig? Dilig. So diretso na coffee. So di na naman mo kaon ng taron. Sige. So, ito, istorya sa inyo nga itong important jud ang kaon ng breakfast. So, plenty of study have been conducted kung importante ba ang kaon ng breakfast. Well, the answer is yes. Your pamahaw or your breakfast is very important, and the one which is breakfast is even more important. So, importante ang breakfast, importante sa kung sa atong kanon sa atong breakfast. So, eating breakfast regularly has been shown to help reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, as well as obesity. So there is also evidence that eating a healthy breakfast helps with brain function, especially memory and more focus sa atong mga gibang. So pamahaw can even help to kickstart our metabolism because your body needs a fuel or energy that helps you throughout the day. So especially kanang sa gabi, matulog yung na. So wala tayo ipang kaon, nasa tayo iinom. So ang atong lawas ana is into fasting state. So by the next morning, need yung energy na mag-iwan sa lawas. So we need food. So that's why itawag siya breakfast to break the fasting kapag sa night na mga tulog ta. So para makita dyan nato kung sa may importante ang makaon of breakfast or your pamahaw. So the best way to approach your pamamaw is to eat a combination of food that contains your carbohydrates, which is the source of your energy, kanang mga rice na to, ato mga bread, mga oatmeal. Aside from that, we need our protein, ato mga red meats, ato mga fishes, ang mga dairy products na to, need na to. Aside from that, we need our healthy fats. So, makuha na natin sa ato mga animal sources, aside na natin mga vegetables. So, because eating a variety of food helps to get the klase-klase ng mga nutrients, just like our vitamins and minerals na maka-help sa atong lawas. So, grabe dyan ka-importante kung mamili dyan nagtawag kung saan dyan atong pangkaon. So, karon as a nutritionist, I want to share some of this hearty recipe for your breakfast. So, kanina breakfast na ako ma-recommend is very easy. Makikala na ito ang ingredients sa balay. So, ang ako ma-recommend is the omelette egg with malunggay. So, basically, ingredients na ito ani is ang scrambled egg, added with salt and pepper to taste, and then most especially your malunggay leaves. So, aside from that, kailangan ang mga first, we need a variety of food to choose in order to have a good breakfast or a perfect breakfast. So, that's why dapat atong carbohydrates, atong protein, atong fat, kay makita agad nato when it comes to pick our meal for the day. And also, mas maayo gyud kung muad ta og substantial coffee mix, which is blend 45 malunggay, as a nutritious meal accompaniment because this coffee's energy boosting properties enriched with superfood, which is your malunggay, with vitamin C, zinc, as well as vitamin B6. So this combination is sure to help us strengthen our immune system and provide you with a great start before tackling your daily tasks. So, makita yun na ito kung saan yung effect ano. So, ano bang malunggay? So, we all know that malunggay is considered as our superfood. So, that can help benefit na makuha sa malunggay. So, we know na ang malunggay is an antioxidant. So, it helps us, especially ka na magkaedad sa, need you to fight sa mga free radicals, sa mga toxins sa lawas. So, need that antioxidant, which is really good. Aside from that, it helps lower the cholesterol. So, it does good siyang effect. Aside from that, malunggay also helps malnutrition. So, since malunggay is considered as a superfood, so it really helps to fight against malnutrition. So, malunggay also is considered to have a high vitamin C, zinc, and other vitamins that help strengthen our immune system. So, makita nyo na kung sa ang health benefits ni malunggay. So, again, helpful kay ang malunggay, and with blend 45 malunggay, you can get the needed nutrient as well as it helps to boost our energy and strengthen our immune system throughout the day. So, once again, I am Tony and thank you.
Thank you so much, Chloe Dahel, for that absolutely brilliant way of introducing our brand new Blend 45 Kapeng Malunggay, Keng Pinoy Malunggay Coffee Mix. And of course, she will be around with us for the entire process for the next 15 minutes na lang kasi tapos na yung half natin. So ito gagawin natin ngayon. We're gonna meet 3 participants and we have to play a game right here in front. So sino gusto manalo ng mga papremyo ngayon? Because we have actually not just Blend 45 Kapeng Pinoy Coffee Mix, we also have with us our Blend 45 Kapeng Pinoy Condensada Coffee Mix and our original coffee mix with a soluble instant coffee lid. So marami na produkto dito sa Blend 45 and ang natin is the one of the original and the most favorite sa lahat ng mga Pinoy, especially sa mga maniskateng Pinoy. I know it's a weekend today and arangkada na ba tayo sa ating mga diskarte for the next 5 days, Lunes hanggang Biyernes. So make sure to have your own Blend 45 Malunggay Coffee Mix. Eto na, let's start. Let's have the 3 participant or players sa ating game. Sino yung gusto na Ma'am, I can see your smile come right here. Come forward. Sino pa? Sir, you wanna join the game? Come on, let's join right here. Ma'am, may mga papremyo tayo. How about you at the back? Gusto niyo sumali ng game? We have one. Okay, si Ma'am Kalanga Purple. I love your shirt. Sino pa? Ma'am, ganahan ko dito Ma'am. Appeal ka Ma'am. Alis sa tubangan Ma'am. through simply with our game. Dito sa ito ba? Ikaw din sa gilid, ma'am. Pero sa tanan ng mga kanang players